How's it going, boss? Angel.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to
I
meet
got
you.
my key.
I am, no worries.
I'm gonna need two.
Two keys?
Yeah, two sets.
Okay, let's take a look at the locks.
Like the standard thing. I don't know if that tells you.
That's what we have now?
Yeah.
Can I borrow one? Just so I can test it out.
And I think it's the
They're
one.
different?
Yeah, I think it's this one, the one that's got number 5 on it here. You know, all of a sudden this wind started kept kicking up out of nowhere.
Yeah. Still a beautiful day.
Yeah.
So you got these two on the bottom? Alright, how many keys do you need? 2 sets. These 2 locks and that's it?
That's it.
Alright, boss. The door locked on me. Gotta improvise.
Minutes, or will you want me to hang out? Then I'll hang out.
It's up to you.
I don't want you to go like that.
Yeah.
Oh, you came to a sheet to the Wi-Fi, right? Yes. And you tried? I'll try it on my phone. Okay. No, I'm from here. I mean, originally, not here in this complex. I live down. Yes, right down there, off the 15 there.
I live.
Are you able to also give a receipt?
You're good.
Okay.